Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin was getting bounced from the support of a falling broadening wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after getting bounced from the support, it is moving towards this quite strong resistance of $60,000 that was previously breaking as a support here, support here, support here, and support here, and support here as well. And here it worked as a resistance, and again, it can work as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakdown that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that we have broken down the support of a big up channel, but at the same time, there is also a bullish divergence flash as the price line is forming lower than previous low. But at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it has formed higher low than previous low. And the price line is likely to follow this signal and trying to re-enter the channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past 1 to 3 days, it is trying to re-enter this channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for our layer, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 4th of March 2024, the price line is moving inside this falling, broadening wedge pattern. And you can see whenever it is getting rejected by the resistance of this falling, broadening wedge pattern, it is forming lower lows and lower highs as well. This time, it has formed another lower low and bounced very well from the support. And so far from this support to this current high, it is recovered almost 18%. And now it is about to hit this resistance of $60,000 as well. By the way, when it was dropped down here at the support, I was showing you that RSI was again entered the oversold zone and stochastic was again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may see another bounce from here and the price and may try to break out the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern once again. This time, the broadening falling wedge pattern resistance will be approximately at $68,700. By the way, almost over there, we have a quite long-term resistance of $69,000 as well. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone from 69 to $73,794. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, by the way, if the price and breaks out this resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, then we may see the target here at the top of the wedge that will be approximately at 74,800 or $75,000. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here, first we broke out this falling wedge pattern, and I've been telling you even before the breakout from this wedge that after the breakout from this wedge, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge at $70,000, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, but so far it is not able to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. Previously, this resistance zone has been working as a resistance zone here, here, and here as well. Right now, the price line after the breakdown is trying to break out the previous support of the channel that is now working as a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it is making right now another powerful attempt to re-enter the channel. At the same time, on the 7 days time frame chart, we also have a bullish divergence flash as the price line is forming lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see the stochastic has formed higher low than previous low, and the price line is likely to follow this signal. And now it is moved back and trying to break out this uptrend line resistance. In case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, first we will need to break out the resistance of $60,000. Then price and can make another attempt to break out this resistance on. And in case of breaking out this resistance on, we can expect that soon the price and can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.